Hey guys, I'm just doing a video for the juniors and the sophomores on run-on or run-together sentences as they're also known. So I'm going to share my screen here and walk you through this week's homework. It's the same for both grade levels. So if you downloaded this PDF, you'll see that it has a description of run-on sentences on the top, followed by some examples, and then 10 questions. Okay, it's pretty simple. All you're trying to do is identify which one of these is a run-on. If it is a run-on, or a run-together, as it's also called, you can just put an R right there. Up here, they define it. They say it's two or more complete sentences written as though they are one. It's a really good way to put it. Just making sure you understand when one idea ends, you got to put a period or a comma with a conjunction. For example, the first example up top says Jake is planning a trip to Orlando, comma, he will leave Tuesday. Okay, this is called a comma splice, which means you're using a comma incorrectly. You're using a comma as a period, essentially. A period would separate these two thoughts, these two complete thoughts, succinctly. However, a comma actually brings them together if you do it right with a coordinating conjunction or a fanboys, as we also call them. They say right here, correct by adding a coordinating conjunction such as and then they have two more ways to fix the same example. You can replace the comma with a semicolon, as the juniors did last week, or you can make each main clause a separate sentence by using a period. So there's three separate ways to fix this guy right here. The next example is one with the sun. It says the sun shone brightly, the birds sang with glee. It goes immediately from the word brightly, which ends the previous thought, to the next thought about birds. So you can add a comma and a coordinate conjunction. You can do the semicolon because they are related, or you can use a period again. Okay, hopefully this is working for everybody. Then on the last example, Carla hoped to finish her project this afternoon, but she ran out of time. This is actually almost there because we have the coordinating conjunction or the fanboys in but. Carla hoped to finish her project this afternoon, but she ran out of time. However, it does not have the comma that we need to join the two. So that right there is actually a comma omission or a lack of a comma where it needs it. You would fix that by doing that here. If you see anything like those up top in these 10, all you're going to do is list the sentences that are run-ons, okay? So if you can edit this document and write an R on it, that's fine. If you want to return and just list all the numbers, you can do 1, 3, 5, 7, 10. Those aren't the answers, I just made them up. But you can respond to the assignment with a list of all the sentences. There's only 10. So just list every one that you think is a run-on based upon the descriptions up here. If you have any questions, once again, reach out to me via email, comments underneath, or questions during the live stream. Hope you guys have a good week and catch you around the bend.